In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resend emails in Klaviyo that went into spam folder. If you have ever sent an email, noticed it landed in spam, and then wished you could quickly try again, this is the workflow you want. The good news is that Klaviyo makes it fairly straightforward to reuse a sent campaign. You do not have to start from scratch, and you can move at a comfortable pace. To begin, open Klaviyo and go to the place where your sent campaigns are listed. In the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Campaigns. This is where Klaviyo organizes email sends, performance, and campaign history. Once you click on Campaigns, you should see a list of your past campaigns and actions. Take a moment to locate the specific email you want to resend. Now you are going to identify that exact email that went into the spam folder. Look for the sent email in your campaign list. If your list is long, use your browser scrolling carefully and scan the subject or the campaign name until you find the one you want. It is important that you clone the correct send, because cloning copies the campaign setup and content. Once you find the email you want to work with, move your cursor to the row for that sent email. On that row, there will be a set of options, usually shown as 3 dots. Click the 3 dots next to the sent email. This opens a small menu with actions you can take for that particular campaign. This is the key step, because the option you need is located inside this menu. After you click the 3 dots, watch for the action options to appear. You should see something along the lines of cloning or repeating the campaign. In the menu, select Clone. Selecting Clone tells Klaviyo that you want to create a new version based on the one you already sent. This is useful when your goal is to resend with the same structure and content, rather than building everything again. At this point, Klaviyo will prepare a cloned draft or a new campaign based on the original. The exact screen you see next may depend on your Klaviyo interface settings, but the important thing is that you have moved from the original sent campaign into a clone that you can use for a new send. Take a moment to confirm that the cloned version reflects what you expect, such as the email content and campaign configuration. Cloning matters because it preserves your work. Instead of recreating the design, the subject line, the blocks, and the overall email layout, you are starting from a copy. This also helps you keep things consistent, which can be especially important when you are testing how changes to delivery or list targeting affect whether emails land in spam or inbox. Now that you have selected Clone, you are ready for the next actions of resending, such as reviewing the cloned draft and preparing it for a new send. In this video, the main focus is reaching the point where you have created the clone correctly. From there, you can proceed with the rest of your resend flow in Klaviyo. Nenden bumitora hels. Nenden that covers the essential steps you need to get started. And that is all there is to it.